Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the universal ingredient in Heartopia. So the universal ingredient is a special cooking item that can replace missing materials in a recipe. And that means if you want to cook something but one of the ingredients runs out, don't worry, you can still cook it. And if you don't have this item yet, you can check the tutorial link in the description for the full tutorial. And then now let's use it. First just tap on your stove and then just use a recipe that has incomplete ingredients. Like for example, I want to cook black truffle cream pasta. In here, I don't have the mushroom, so I will change it with the universal ingredient like this, and then next just tap on start cooking. And okay, like this, your dish will still be successfully cooked even without the original material like this. It's simple with the universal ingredient. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!